Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm introducing the Pickins boxes. You get to see me unbox things all the time and have a great time finding out what is inside each box. Well, I'm going to offer you an opportunity and special deals. All right, so I am going to show you examples of what exactly is a Pickins box. So we're going to have various different categories. The two examples that I'm going to show you on camera today are going to be my knife bundle boxes and my toy bundle boxes. And I will specify between boy and girl. I will also have available like kitchen and household bundle boxes and my favorite category, the Mystery of Mysteries bundle boxes. And the one thing I want to let you know right now is everything that you see, you'll be able to actually find on my store and buy as an individual item. So if you like just one of the items I unboxed today, that's fine. Go to the store, buy that one item. But if you buy it in the bundle box, it could be a variety and variations of each thing. You're going to get it at a more discounted price. It'll be cheaper to buy it in a bundle box, but it will be a variety. So let me just give you a quick example. The link will be down in the description for this particular listing, so you can find the bundle boxes. But you can always go to Hooked on Pickin and just look for the the Pickins mystery box is exactly what it's called. Pickins mystery box. Got it? All right. So this would be a $25 knife box. Okay, you want to see what's inside? So it will be a variation of these types of knives. So you could get the color wood Bowie knife. Looks like that. Look at that. Now that's a knife. So inside there you would get that. Then you could get a Stars and Stripe knife with a sheath. Our famous farmer's toothpick. And little arrow throwing knives. Comes with its own little leather holder as well. So that would be for 25 bucks. Now, if you were to buy these individually off the store, it will cost you more than $25. So I promise that every box you get will be more than what the actual cost of the items are, so you get it at a more steeper at a discount. But like I said, you can buy each one of these items individually off the store if you just want one. All right, so that's the $25 knife box. What will you get for the $50 knife box? So I have, as an example, another colorwood Bowie knife, the Stars and Stripes knife, the little arrow throwing set, of course the farmer toothpick, just like we saw in the first box, but now you might get a knife with a gift box. So there's an eagle knife with a fancy wooden gift box. So that would be in addition to everything. You'll get a pack of Ninja 4-piece throwing stars. Comes with a nylon sheath. And you might get a horseshoe knife made out of an actual horseshoe. Let me flip that over. And it's oiled to protect the metal there. Comes with a holder. So that would be your $50 box. And like I said, if you bought those individually, you can, but it's going to be a lot less expensive to buy them this way. So that's your $50 box. And then for $75 of your knife bundle box, you would get a little arrow throwing knife, a Bowie knife, your Stars and Stripes knife with sheath, the arrow throwing stars, your farmer toothpick. Let's see what else we got in here. This is your horseshoe knife. And then you also might get a marine striker knife, which whether you're a Marine or not, you don't need to be a Marine. It's an awesome, very heavy duty knife. And then you might get another box knife. And in the $50 box or this one, you could get a box knife of any of these styles. So this one is the bass fishing box knife. And then this box here is a bear fishing, or not bear fishing, but a black bear, I believe. Yes, a black bear knife. See how it displays so nicely in there? So I set one up as a display. And then what's in this one, you might ask?
You need a knife?
I need a knife to open this box that has a knife in it. All right, and then you might also get this awesome collectible tin, Don't Tread on Me, with a Don't Tread on Me foldable knife. So these are the Knife's Pickins boxes. So you can get 25, 50, and 75. You can buy each individual item off the store, but it's a better deal, like I said. And you have the joy and fun of, ooh, which knives did she put in there? What kind of a variety? And you get a good deal bundling. So that's a knife one. Remember, we're going to have home and kitchen. We're going to have the mystery of mysteries. You're going to have toy ones and knife ones. We're going to give you an example of the toy ones now. All right, so now we're going to show you the example of a toy bundle. All right, so they will be boy and girl specific. So if you buy a boy one, we'll make sure it's more boy-oriented toys. And if you buy a girl one, it'll be more girl-oriented toys. But I want to give you an example of what you might find in the various different $25, $50, and $75 toy bundle boxes, the Hooked on Pickin mystery box. Just as a reminder, like for the knives, you saw a lot of the ones that you've seen on my store before, but we will be constantly ordering new styles, new types, and so there may be knives in there that you've not even seen yet that you get in a bundle box, just to give you a heads up. All right, so for the $25 box, what will you get? You might get some headphones, some frozen nail polish, a mechanic build your own car, a Jesus Sunny jiggler, an office puzzle, and a pony lip gloss and nail polish set with an emery board. So that would be what you would expect to see, something similar to this. Maybe instead of getting the My Little Pony, you'll get the princess nail polish, or instead of these headphones, maybe you'll get purple ones or green ones. And so those are different options that you'll see in the $25 bundle. I'm going to leave all these out because everything that goes up, we're just going to add to this bundle. So that's the $25 box. And then we will add, so for the $50 box, you'll get everything that I just showed you, plus you might get a mini Softy Dough mold and play figure maker. You might get a plush backpack. It could be the Baby Yoda backpack or the Harry Potter one. So zipper on the back, backpack pillow is what I call it. And if they come out with new styles, I'll definitely be buying the new styles. And an inflatable globe, beach ball globe, something you can hang for your ceiling. So that would be a $50 box. And then for $75, I love to just add bigger items. So if you get the $75 box, you're going to get bigger toys. So obviously they probably won't be shipped in these boxes, but just for an example. So you get a Minnie Mouse purse, plush head purse. You might get a Baby Yoda sparkly backpack and a Littlest Pet Shop Series 1 figurine. So that would be your $75 bundle. And like I said, all of the things that you see behind me could potentially be in one of the toy bundles. And so you'll get a variety of different things. As a reminder, it will be more than what you could buy all of these items individually on the store for. You're going to get more value. And so you're going to pay less money and get more items and have the fun of figuring out what is in my Hooked on Pickins mystery box. Okay, so hooked on my Pickins mystery box, what am I going to get? So I showed you an example of the knives and the toys, but remember, we're also going to have home and kitchen, and of course, my favorite, the Mystery of Mysteries bundle. And they're all going to be $25, $50, or $75, but you get more than that value in every single box. So hopefully it's been fun. I love to bundle. This may be an idea for you to start to bundle, and you can go ahead and click the link down in the description to find that listing to buy your first Pickins mystery box. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Every time I put a new video out, you will be notified. If you have learned a ton off this channel, make sure you give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And thanks for watching.